DA Form 5988E is the U.S. Army's Equipment Maintenance and Inspection Worksheet, used by soldiers to record faults found during preventive maintenance checks and services, or PMCS, and post-mission inspections. The form tracks every fault from the time it is discovered until it is repaired and closed out. It is generated for each specific piece of equipment and follows the equipment through its maintenance cycle. The header identifies the equipment. Enter the equipment's administrative or bumper number, the unit identification code, the equipment nomenclature and model number, and the current hour meter or mileage reading. The header also captures the date and the type of inspection being performed. Each row in the fault section is for one identified fault. In the status column, write a circled X for a fault that prevents the equipment from operating, or a circled slash for a fault that the equipment can still operate with. Describe the fault clearly in the description column, so the maintenance team knows exactly what needs repair. The operator signs the form after the inspection, and the maintenance officer or technician signs off once repairs are completed or the fault is documented. Completed forms become part of the equipment's historical maintenance record. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not official Army guidance.